Robinhood is setting Shiba Inu for some crazy gains. This is not a joke. We are expecting some major price action, and it all has already begun. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The Shiba Inu dev team is involved in some wild events that are coming this week. What is really going on? Well, let me explain. This is a huge moment for Shiba Inu. Just yesterday, Shiba Burn, our go-to tracker for Shiba Inu burns, revealed an enormous burn event where a whopping 5.58 billion Shiba Inu tokens, worth over $100,000, were permanently wiped out in a single transaction. At a time when Shiba Inu's circulating supply directly impacts its potential price growth, a move like this is monumental. Now, the big question is, who initiated this burn? At first, as Shiba Inu's community was buzzing with theories, speculation was leaning toward Binance. Prominent community voices like Lola believe Binance played a role here, pointing to evidence that Binance funded the wallet used in the burn. This transaction has naturally sparked a wave of excitement, with Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, sharing her surprise at the scale of the burn. It's clear that even the Shiba Inu team is closely watching these developers. What's undeniable is the significance of this burn. It's a boost to Shiba Inu's scarcity, which could eventually play a key role in driving up its value. But then, it turned out that there's someone else behind this burn. The burn was actually initiated by the team behind a newly launched cat-themed meme coin. The team confirmed this in an X post published 2 minutes after the burn. But one of the Shiba Inu's X accounts made an urgent announcement to stay cautious. As they say, some projects use these big burns to pull in the Shiba army with pre-sales or low-quality tokens. This isn't the first time, and it won't be the last. While a $100,000 burn sounds impressive, it can be a quick attention play. Before jumping in, make sure to look at the full picture. Nevertheless, this unexpected burn is building more confidence and excitement around Shiba Inu's potential for growth. However, looking at the current price chart, we're seeing a surprising turn. Shiba Inu's price has taken a bit of a dip. What's happening here? Well, as Bitcoin recently soared past the $70,000 mark, the entire crypto market got a confidence boost, and Shiba Inu was no exception. Shiba Inu started showing real strength, riding the wave of optimism sparked by Bitcoin's rise, which pushed various altcoins into promising positions. For Shiba Inu, the anticipation of a golden cross, a major bullish signal, had investors excited for what could be a long-term upward trend. But here's where things took a twist. Bitcoin's struggle to maintain its position above $70,000 impacted Shiba Inu's momentum, delaying that golden cross confirmation and stalling its potential rally. This price dip, while disappointing for now, reflects the broader market's hesitation as Bitcoin flirts with its all-time highs, but fails to stay there. For Shiba Inu to truly capitalize on a golden cross and continue its bullish trend, Bitcoin needs to stabilize and ideally push beyond $70,000 again, which would help restore investor confidence across the board. If that happens, Shiba Inu could see renewed buying interest, likely putting it in a stronger position to break its next resistance level at 402. Dip below the critical support level could shift sentiment further bearish, signaling a possible correction before another attempt at growth. Right now, Shiba Inu faces two clear indicators of potential trouble. First, the price action itself. Shiba Inu slipped 4% yesterday, dipping below the key 200-day moving average on the daily chart. And while Shiba Inu has tried for nearly 20 hours to break back above this level, it hasn't succeeded, hinting that selling pressure is still strong. If bears keep overpowering bulls, Shiba Inu could see a further decline, with even lower potential if support remains weak. The second red flag? The behavior of large holders. In the last 48 hours, significant Shiba Inu wallets, those holding 0.1% or more of the circulating supply, have seen a negative flow of around 800 billion Shiba Inu. This activity from major holders is a classic sign of selling pressure, likely as they decide to exit at strong resistance levels rather than risk a deeper price drop. This behavior underscores that, despite recent excitement, some of the biggest players are still cautious, preferring to sell and observe rather than holding on with hopes of a breakout. For Shiba Inu, these developments mean it's a pivotal moment. A drop below these key support levels could signal more turbulence ahead. But if market confidence recovers and large holders re-enter, Shiba Inu might stabilize. So while the road forward may look a bit bumpy, it's in these high-stakes moments that we often see the community's resilience shine through, shaping Shiba Inu's path ahead. However, in moments like these, Lucy steps in with an essential reminder, cautioning everyone. especially those new to the market, to remember the fundamentals. Her message is simple, but powerful. Crypto investments are high risk, and it's crucial only to invest what you can afford to lose. She's essentially saying, be an investor, not a gambler, reminding everyone to approach this market with patience and a long-term perspective. And Lucy's message couldn't come at a better time. For Shiba Inu and crypto as a whole, a patient, cautious approach often wins in the long run. So don't let today's price drop shake you. This could easily be just a temporary dip, especially with some exciting things on the horizon for Shiba Inu. SBI VC Trade, a Japanese crypto exchange, is rolling out a couple of unique events featuring Shiba Inu-themed tokens, both Shiba Inu and Doge, to celebrate Japan's Dog Day. This week-long campaign involves a social media contest and a trading competition, with prizes aimed at encouraging participation in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Doggy Contest, for instance, is a fun, accessible social media challenge where participants can share AI-generated images to win Amazon gift vouchers. Meanwhile, the Doggy Race offers a trading incentive for those actively involved in buying Shiba Inu on the exchange, providing a lottery chance for participants to earn additional Shiba Inu tokens. The fact that SBI VC Trade is backing Shiba Inu with not just giveaways, but also by facilitating a steady demand through this trading contest shows their ongoing support for Shiba Inu. This isn't just a random event. SBI VC Trade has been invested in promoting Shiba Inu, from previous campaigns celebrating Kabosu-chan's birthday to allowing users to earn passive income with a Shiba Inu lending program. With this kind of support, Shiba Inu is far from being just another meme coin. It's actively making strides in the crypto world, transitioning from its initial meme status to becoming a utility token. The current price might not reflect these recent developments yet, but with increased exposure and utility, Shiba Inu could see steady demand over time. SBI's support sends a message of confidence, which may attract more investors and help Shiba Inu build momentum, even if today's market prices suggest otherwise. And speaking of exchanges, Shiba Inu has just received an unexpected nod from Robinhood today. This is always a promising sign, especially considering that exchanges generally don't highlight tokens randomly. They often feature tokens they have plans for, which may be speculative, but definitely worth noting. Robinhood recently published an overview of the top meme coins and their origins, putting particular focus on Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But it was Robinhood's focus on Shiba Inu that stood out. They praised Shiba Inu's evolution from a community-driven meme coin launched in 2020 into a substantial project with unique offerings, like the shibaswap. Robinhood emphasized Shiba Inu's significance in reviving interest in meme coins and reshaping the perception of them as more than just fleeting tokens. By mentioning that Shiba Inu set a new precedent for meme coins, Robinhood effectively acknowledged its transformative impact on the meme coin landscape. And after all these upcoming developments, Shiba Inu's future price looks pretty bright. Just after the Robinhood update, an analyst has identified a bullish flag on Shiba Inu's 3-day chart, indicating the potential for a breakout above key resistance levels. Clifton X, a well-regarded crypto analyst, shared insights with his followers on X, presenting a chart that shows a bullish flag formation. The projected move, marked by a green zone on the chart, indicates that Shiba Inu could potentially rise a lot, representing an approximate 89% increase from its current level. This pattern, characterized by a descending channel with parallel trend lines, has established clear resistance and support levels for Shiba Inu. As the price hovers near the upper boundary, it suggests a potential test of resistance. This analysis gains even more significance amid ongoing conversations in the Shiba Inu community about its future and recognition in the crypto space. But what is your opinion on that? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.
New all-time high is on the horizon. How does that sound? I am pretty sure just one thought of it makes you excited. But what if I told you that there's a potential to triple the expectations? The Shiba Inu would literally explode in price. But recent discovery proves that it actually might be more than possible. And all of this because of one little detail we haven't been. paying attention to. What a shame. But what is it about? And why should we be excited? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. In the past 7 days, more than 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been moved, catching everyone's attention due to the significant increase in volatility. This massive movement is like a tidal wave in the world of cryptocurrency. To put it into perspective, 17 trillion tokens represent a huge portion of Shiba Inu's circulating supply, making this activity impossible to ignore. Such a large transfer of tokens often raises eyebrows because it can signal that the Shiba Inu is in a good place. What if it's not? Well, let me explain. A big shift in the market. When so much of a cryptocurrency is moved in a short period, it usually means that something big is happening behind the scenes. This could be anything from large holders or whales making strategic moves to potential changes in the market sentiment. With on-chain activity surging like this, many people are hopeful that a bullish trend might be on the horizon for Shiba Inu in the upcoming week. Recently, Shiba Inu's price has shown significant volatility, with charts indicating regular testing of support and resistance levels. This pattern suggests that Shiba Inu is in a consolidation phase, which means it's gathering momentum before making a significant move. This behavior makes people feel that a crucial shift is about to happen. It's like watching a calm before the storm. Everything is quiet, but you can sense that something big is on the way. Imagine standing by the shore and noticing the waves getting stronger and more frequent. You know a big wave is coming, but you can't tell exactly when or how powerful it will be. Investors are in a similar situation, feeling the anticipation and preparing for Shiba Inu to make its next big move. But here's something interesting. Even though 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were moved in the last 7 days, the price doesn't reflect this activity. In fact, Shiba Inu's price is down by 7% during the same period. This contradiction has people scratching their heads. Normally, such a large movement of tokens would be expected to have a significant impact on the price. When this much activity is happening, it's a good sign that Shiba Inu is going to have a significant impact on the price, especially with high trading volumes. Prices usually go up or down more dramatically. But seeing a 7% drop instead of a rise or a major change is puzzling to many investors. This situation leaves people wondering what's going on behind the scenes. They question whether this massive transfer is a strategic move by big players, or if there are other factors at play that aren't immediately visible. It's like expecting a big gig. Wave to hit the shore after seeing the tide rise, but then the water suddenly calms down in a second. Instead, this unexpected turn of events keeps everyone guessing about what might happen next. One of the factors that might have contributed to this unexpected price drop is the rising rumors and negativity towards the Shiba Inu development team. You might remember that they launched a lot of projects back in the day. But now, with no recent updates, people are losing hope and faith in the team. This happens because in the crypto world, trust and confidence play a huge role. When a team launches new projects, it creates excitement and optimism. But when there are no updates or progress reports, investors start to worry. They begin to doubt whether the team can deliver on their promises. And this doubt can lead to selling off their tokens, driving the price down. From an ethical point of view, it's understandable why people feel this way. They invested their money based on the promise of future developments. When those developments don't happen or aren't communicated, it feels like a broken promise. Transparency and consistent communication from the development team are crucial to maintaining trust. Without it, rumors and negativity can easily spread, causing further damage to the project's reputation and value. And one of the projects at the center of the hate and discussions was Shiba Inu's Metaverse project. The last major update for the project came in March 2024, when Lucy shared a sneak peek into the progress made on Shiba Inu Metaverse. Since then, the community hasn't received many updates about the project. This lack of information stirred speculation that the team might have forgotten about the Metaverse project. With growing concerns about the lack of updates, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, addressed the issue in a Twitter post today. According to Lucy, the less information disclosed about the Metaverse project now, the more impactful the next revelation will be when it's unveiled. And this approach actually quite makes sense. By keeping details under wraps, the team can build anticipation and ensure that when they do reveal new information, it has a bigger impact. Tactic often used to create suspense and excitement, making the eventual announcement feel like a significant event rather than just another update. Lucy ended her tweet with the phrase, "This suggests that even though the team hasn't shared any updates about Shiba Inu Metaverse, they are actively working on it behind the scenes." This is reassuring for investors and supporters who have been worried about the project's future. Hearing this is good news because it restores some confidence. It shows that the team is aware of the community's concerns and is strategically planning their next move. This kind of communication is a good thing. This kind of communication helps to rebuild trust and can reinvigorate interest in the project, potentially leading to positive movements in the token's value. In addition, Lucy has often taken to the X social media platform to address the Shiba Inu community about those spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Shiba Inu and its developer team. Instead of suggesting a confrontational approach, Lucy proposes a peaceful and calm solution. In her tweets, Lucy advises the global Shiba Inu army on how to react to FUD and those who are interested in Shiba Inu. Attacking Shiba Inu. Her advice is simple. Do nothing. Let the fudders be, she recommends. Don't let them get to you. Be yourself. Choose positivity and positive things will happen. She also shared her personal approach, saying, "I simply forget they exist and leave them to their fate." This advice encourages the community to stay focused on their goals and not be distracted by negativity, promoting a positive and constructive atmosphere within the Shiba Inu community. And it looks like this approach has worked. The hate seems to have stopped, and Shiba Inu has stopped falling in price. As of now, it appears to be pretty stable, with the price remaining flat over the last 24 hours.